All right, what is going on YouTube? A long time no see. It's been a minute, a couple months, I think. Say hello, Brian.
Hello.
Just gonna make a quick video today, basically. Quick update. So C10's gone. Sold that. Make room for some other stuff. This is actually my roommate's car. We went and picked that up last weekend, I believe it was. So we're gonna sell that, get that out of here, make him some money. Also, picked this guy up, sold the daily, so that's my new daily. Still have the Metro in the garage, so that's still going. Picked up a second job, I don't know, December time. Worked that for a few months. Buddy helped me out. It was good. Was able to get caught up on some things. Just been busy, trying to get ahead and plan for some things. But yeah, that's it. I haven't abandoned any projects. Well, except for the C10. That really wasn't an abandonment thing. I wanted to sell it. Still got the Bonneville. That's in the works. Still got the GMC. That's all the bedding and the frame and everything still in the garage. So yeah, that's what's going on. Yeah, stay tuned, I guess. I don't know. I'll drop another video soon, probably this weekend. So see you guys in the next one.